What's going on, guys? So here is my Switchblade knife collection. I finally had a chance to show this off today. I've been getting a lot of requests over the years. So yes, I finally had the energy to do all this. And as you can see, I have a very massive collection here. I've been collecting knives now for over 10 years. So this is my collection so far. I haven't bought any knives in a while due to personal reasons. But anyway, here is the Switchblade vintage collection here. Anyway, before I take you on a grand tour, so here it is. Here's my Switchblade knife collection. This is it. I got these guys at Grindworx, Bladeops, Roadsideimports, and other websites. And yes, guys, I've been collecting knives for over 10 years now. I haven't bought any knives, to be honest with you guys, due to personal reasons. So I just want to say welcome to the Switchblade Resource Center. That's what I'm going to call this. And as you can see, my collection is massive here. So yes, I've been getting a lot of requests over the years to show off my collection, and I finally had the energy to do this. So anyway, I'm going to take you on a grand tour of my knife collection here. I finally had the chance to do this for the first time. And of course, if you know, a lot of my knives are stilettos, push button locks. And oh, guys, don't ask. It's not for sale because a lot of these are hard to find and discontinued, and you know, this is something I'll always keep. I'm not selling these, and pretty much this is my most prized possession. Alright, let's take you on a grand tour of my collection here. So I just want to say welcome to the Switchblade Resource Center. Now down here, as you can see, it's still incomplete. Yeah, I still got a long ways to go. I have to be honest, I haven't bought any knives in a while for personal reasons, but it's still incomplete right there. That's the next one I'm trying to get. And there you go. I gave you a good grand tour of my Switchblade knife collection and my collection for over 10 years. And yeah, guys, a lot of these are rare items, so I'm very lucky to, you know, own this. And you know, I've been collecting knives for over 10 years. And guys, don't ask. It's not for sale because a lot of these are discontinued and hard to get. So pretty much this is my most prized possession. Alright, so I hope you liked the collection video, and you know, let me know if you recognize anything, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.